Right, guys, here's a quick keyword research method that I use to get new keywords for a new niche or a new niche. Right here, we're doing quantity surveying in Australia. So one way you can go about it is jump into your keyword tool like SEMrush and start brainstorming keywords like quantity surveyor or something like that. What I like to do with a new niche or niche that you don't know about is to do a reverse keyword search. So what I'm going to do is find the best sites in each big city that are ranking for the top level keyword, which is quantity surveyor. I'm going to run those websites through SEMrush, and that's going to give me all the keywords that that website ranks for, which is just going to give me on a plate all the keywords that I should be interested in. So I've just gone to seranking.com, which enables you to search from any country. So I've done I've got three searches here. I've got this one's Sydney, this one's Melbourne, this is Brisbane, and now I'm going to do Perth. So these are the big cities. So these are going to be where the big websites are, with most likely the most SEO done to them. So all we're going to do is go to the number one. Uh, so these are more informational searches. So what is a quantity survey? What is a quantity survey? It's not really what we want. So let me try this one again. So let's add some intent. So let's type in quantity survey Perth, which would mean someone's looking for a quantity survey in Perth as opposed to looking for more information. Now let's do Brisbane. If you're doing this, you only need to do it for the city that you're in. So if you're doing fences in Auckland, then you just need to do fence builders Auckland and put your location in Auckland. Brisbane. Okay, let's have a look at what's changed. So here we go. The number one result is actually a quantity survey rather than a web page about what a quantity survey is. So this is a good start. So we'll choose that for Perth. And for Brisbane, we've got the yellow pages. We're not interested in that. This one looks good though, quantity survey of Brisbane. So that's an actual quantity survey. The yellow pages is just a directory. So now that we've got our website, the number one ranking Perth QS, we're going to take that into a keyword tool such as SEMrush. Go to the organic research report. This is a free account, so I'll show you what you can do with a free account. So just put in the URL of that top ranking website, choose Australia or whatever country you're in. And then here we've got the organic overview report. So it ranks for 36 keywords, gets about 53 traffics a month. And this is what we want to click on, the organic positions report. So right here, we've got the top 10 keywords by the amount of traffic that this website gets. So here we go, quantity survey of Perth, which is what I've typed in before. That gets 140 searches a month. Commercial quantity surveying, they're also ranking number one. Quantity surveying services, QS, surveying Perth. What is a quantity surveyor? So all these keywords have a similar theme. They're all fairly high intent. People are actually looking for a QS. So we could probably group those together. But now you've got an idea of some of the keywords that you need to put on your web page to rank if you're a quantity surveyor in Perth. Now let's look at the other one, which was the Brisbane website page. So at the top here, we're just going to put in the URL. With the free version, you're only allowed to use the root domain, which is basically everything. which is a www.whatever.com.nz or .com.au. But that's still going to give you some keyword ideas. So the URL we pulled was one with Brisbane in it, so I'm just going to tick the ones with Brisbane in it. And here we've got three keywords: quantity surveys, Brisbane, Brisbane quantity surveys, and then we've got some of the other keywords that this root domain, SJB at QS Australia, also ranks for. So these are some ideas that you could write about for blogs or service pages, such as depreciation schedule cost. We've also got a lot of people looking for QSs on the Gold Coast, Kingscliff, again, depreciation schedules. So if you had the paid version of SEMrush, you could go a bit more in detail. But if you find a keyword that you like, you can just click on this little tick box and you can add it to a keyword list, which is again only for paid users. But even with the free tool, you can still start some keyword ideas using SEMrush.